the Bible says, there is a time to be great, but there will always be a time that I will be nobody. And that is sure to come, and maybe to die thereafter. There is always a time for plenty, but there is always a time for one. There is always time to be merry, happy, and a time to be sad. A time to be healthy, strong, kung bata ka pa. But as sure as the sun will rise in the east, we will get old and get weak and sick. A time to be spending, may pera ka, but sometimes may problema. And a time for war, and a time for peace. And a time to be born, and a time to die. So pag na-accept ninyo yung sinabi ko, my quote from the Bible, then alam ko na kaya na ninyo dalhin ang problema. Do not worry. Everybody will go. It's a matter of time. If you believe in God, and there is God, ang makasabi lang kung kailan tayo mamatay, hanggang kailan tayo mabuhay sa mundong ito, saan, paano. Itong buhay natin sa mundong ito, when trying to figure out how life really runs in this universe, yung creation and the death. And why is there death? And why do we exist here? So, itong lahat sa Diyos. Ang Diyos lang talaga ang makasagot ng lahat ng tanong na ito. Ang sekreto dito, I think, is just the acceptance that we are born. Sa ayaw mat natin sa hindi, now, tomorrow, our appointment with our earthly existence is handled by one Creator.